Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and we're going to talk about something that you probably have heard in the news, and it has to do with a pipeline in the United States, the Colonial Pipeline, that is pretty much halted due to an attack, actually by ransomware. So basically what happens is that ransomware went into a lot of the control systems and of the computers, and as of course encrypted everything, and without the information and without having that working well, they had to actually stop the pipeline because things could go bad with if the computers don't control well the amount of petroleum that goes through the pipeline. This is a big pipeline, pretty much has 2.5 million liters, I believe, of petroleum going through every day. So, or gallons maybe. I don't know if it's in gallons that I've read it. Just looking quickly here. So barrels. Okay, so it's barrels. Sorry. 2.5 million barrels of refined petroleum are actually passing through this pipeline every day. So that's a lot, and that means that, of course, if it's stopped, there could be shortage of gas at a lot of places, especially around the East Coast, from the south to the East Coast of the United States. Now, basically what is happening is that they are trying to get things back. Hopefully, this is always where I have a big problem, is that if companies have to pay bad guys, that means the companies running these computers are careless and don't do what it takes to have backups and stay safe. Because it's very simple. Any company that is attacked, that has ransomware, things are encrypted. If you have backups, it doesn't take that long to go back online. But if you don't have your backups, then maybe you're careless with your own computer security, and that should be checked because it's extremely important. So it's something that the ransomware that actually is attacked is called something like dark side ransomware. And so it took off several terminals and several computers offline. And of course, they're trying to get everything back to normal. So the dark side ransomware is something that isn't new. It is apparently something that started around mid-August 2020. So it's something that has been in the works also for probably the attack on the Colonial Pipeline. And one of the aspects of this also is stealing data before they actually have the encryption going on, which means they probably have a lot of data and information. Could have, we don't know up to what extent and how deep this went into the infrastructure. But one thing for sure, it just shows you that you have to have better security in many of our enterprises. This is for a pipeline right now, but we know that ransomware can actually attack, power grids and create really big problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.